Good evening. You heard it right there as Governor Ron DeSantis continues to argue that state law makes masking children a parent's decision. Judge John Cooper says the governor is only enforcing part of that law. For the second time in 2 weeks, Judge John Cooper ruled in favor of a group of Florida parents who were suing Governor Ron DeSantis and Florida's Department and Board of Education. Families argued that while the case moves through appeals, the judge's orders should stay in place because there could be irreparable harm done to Florida students if school districts aren't allowed to require masks.
Vacating the stay will have no effect adverse to the rights of defendants. However, maintaining the stay would amount to an unnecessary risk and result, sadly, in sick and dead children in our state.
But attorneys for the governor argued this case was about a new Florida statute that this judge was the first to interpret in a court of law.
And following the testimony and the evidence, the court made its best judgment based on what it saw and what it heard. And maybe, Your Honor, got it right, and maybe Your Honor got it wrong. We'll see.
Judge John Cooper pointed out it was the governor and his defense team that argued the Parents' Bill of Rights was central to the case.
What this court did was say that the bill, the Parents' Bill of Rights, passed by the legislature and signed by the governor, must be enforced fully, not partly.
The judge said it's undisputed that the Delta variant of COVID is far more infectious and that children are more susceptible to it.
In particular, for children under 12, they cannot be vaccinated. Therefore, there's really only one or two means to protect them against the virus. That's either stay at home or mask.
Today's ruling only answered the narrow question of who gets to decide whether to require masks as this case moves through appeals. School districts can now do that without fear of penalty from the state, but we know the state is now filing an emergency appeal, so we could get a different decision from the appellate court as early as the end of next week. Live in the Tampa News Center, Evan Donovan, 8 on your side.